Morning guys, I am here with Val. This morning we're at Onikaha Beach doing my first cinematic flight over the ocean. So this is going to be something unique. Never done this before. So here with the baby, Elena's over there, enjoying the sounds before they start. So yeah, we're going to be flying out there. So enjoy.
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey guys, so yeah, this is my first flight over the ocean, tide pools, I guess you could say. This is again Onikaha Beach Park, probably 8 o'clock in the morning. Very slight breeze, maybe like 5 miles an hour. And I'm taking the Firefly Hex Nano out. It's basically a hexacopter. What you're seeing is the Insta360 Go 2. And yeah, it's really smooth. I just didn't know where to go. And I only had time to fly one battery. But being such a nice day, early morning, nice light, just really wanted to see how I would react over the ocean. And honestly, it was really intimidating at first because I've never flown over the ocean with an FPV quadcopter, manual quadcopter nonetheless. And I pretty much flew only DJI products at this beach. It's a new experience, and flying this far out, I'm using the full range of the VTX, which is 450 milliwatts, and unfortunately my DVR is broken, but you guys don't want to see that anyway. But yeah, for the most part, really crystal clear reception all the way out here. I wanted to really stay away from birds. I remember them chasing my DJI Spark, them picking at this microcopter. I was really afraid that I was gonna lose everything, the quadcopter, the camera. Luckily there was none out there. I should have put ND filters on this thing, but the thing already flies relatively smooth, plus Insta360 Go Studio. But yeah, the water's crystal clear. I got to see some ocean, some waves. Again, I knew this was a relatively safe park. If the drone fell in the water, I would have to go in, but the water isn't that deep in this area unless I flew where you could see the whitewash. Then I'd be in serious trouble. Overall, successful flight. Hexacopter flew better than I was expecting. If you guys enjoyed this flight, hit the like button below, subscribe, and stay safe, be safe. See you guys next time. Bye.
Lick courage, I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge now. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage, I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy too. Maybe 2020 is the year I bloom. For crying out loud, fuck you. I'ma turn a new leaf, it's true. No time to be confused. Take a trip out to Rome and not my room. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge now. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the